Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. Here's an Iseki TU185. This is a 23 horsepower, 4-cylinder, 4-wheel drive. Shown here with an optional post hole digger that I have. I get these in brand new, by the way. One nice feature about this tractor is it has an automatic hydraulic adjustment for the arm. So this arm right here will go up and down just with a push of a button right there. So if you have a box scraper on, you need to tilt the box because you're scraping a driveway or something like that, you just push the button and it tilts. Which is a nice feature. Whoever bought this tractor brand new paid about $2 grand just for that. Really nice tractor, good shape, got the original seat, easy on and off, just like getting on a golf cart. You don't have to climb over any controllers or anything. No oil leaks, no smoke. It's got 443 hours on it. Like I said, really nice shape. The only thing is the hood's got some paint peeling off on it. It's just cosmetic. Everything else looks really good on the tractor. Here it's got a brand new loader on it, 5-foot bucket, joystick controller. This loader will lift up over 7.5 feet. The bucket will lift about 1,200 pounds if you have it counterbalanced in the back. It's got the larger tires on the front, which makes it really stable. Nice shape too, by the way. Good condition front and rear. It's got 4 gears, 3 speeds. You can see that it's got on and off for 4-wheel drive. It's got a 3-speed PTO, locking differential. Go ahead and start it up here. Show you how this tilt works. Just press this button. See how that arm goes, tilts back and forth. That's a really nice feature there. Shut it off. Anyhow, you can see how it wasn't smoking. That was the exhaust I showed a little bit ago. No smoke coming out. Anyhow, here it is again. An Iseki Landhope TU185, 23 horsepower, 4-cylinder, which is a rare breed tractor. If you want to see more tractors, anything else on my website, go to ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.